Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
I'm going to share latest job openings in Cuttack location. It is from Orissa. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So I'm going to provide all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned here. So you can have a look on the description once for the links. So firstly, there is a job opening for executive for credit operations. It is from Bajaj Finserv. So let us discuss here the responsibilities. So processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with the minimum DVU, hold, system hold or branch hold, and regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay, and regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments, and publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files, and regular training to sales and discussion on policy or process or policy, and to reduce branch hold. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities. Next, coming to qualifications, it would be like knowledge, documentation and KYC required, and graduates with 0 to 3 years of total experience is required. So fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position, and the candidates should be having positive attitude and team player skills, and should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and should have excellent communication skills along with strong presentation and data analytics skills. Next one, there is a job opening for field technician. So it is from Sehas Synergy Tech Private Limited. So coming to about the job description, establishes communication systems by installing, operating and maintaining voice and data telecommunications, network circuits and equipment, and plans network installations by studying customer orders, plans, manuals and technical specifications, ordering and gathering equipment, supplies, materials and tools, assessing installation site and preparing an installation diagram. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities, and the education qualification will be all electronics diploma holders are eligible to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for deputy team leader for healthcare. So it is from AECOM. So coming to minimum requirements, a bachelor's degree in engineering, construction, urban planning, architecture with an active professional background, and registration as construction professional engineer, architect with a recognized national, international board or institute, and project management professional or similar certification from a recognized international body or institution is preferred. So coming to preferred qualifications, ability to effectively manage the project and proven team player skills with the ability to build and maintain internal and external relationship, and strong written and verbal communication skills, and strong organizational interpersonal problem solving and analytical skills, and ability to work independently with minimal supervision. So job category will be engineering. Next, coming to about the job summary. So the candidates will support the team leader with a focus on implementation and operations, and also manage all design projects and ensure that the contractor and other consultants or contractors of the program perform their duties and services in accordance with signed contracts and report variants. And the candidate will be responsible for construction management and supervision, and also full-time associated and deployed with the project in accordance with the terms of the signed contracts, and also responsible for the overall direction and management for design, execution and all other construction management works. Next one, there is a job opening for branch support executive position. It is from Rentokil Initial. So the job type will be full-time and executive. So freshers and as well as 2 years of experienced candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So you can check here with the duties and responsibilities. And coming to educational and other requirements, any graduation degree is required and at least 2 to 3 years of experience is required in back office administration and preferably from MNC, and typing skills are required, and also computer skills with working knowledge of applications like Word, Excel, and core competencies will be good written and verbal communication, attention to detail and ability to prioritize tasks under pressure, and positive attitude, assertive and self-confident. Next one, there is a job opening for senior React developer position. So it is from TopTal. So coming to about the requirements, about 3 years of experience is required in software development and strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and thorough understanding of React.js and its core principles, and experience with popular React.js workflows such as Flux or Redux, and familiarity with newer specifications of ECMAScript, and also experience with data structure libraries, example immutable.js. So you can also check here with the other requirements mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for senior SEM consultant. So it is from Uploads. So the experience required will be above 4 years, and coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to manage and keep track of ROI, compiling regular spend reports for campaigns, and ability to communicate effectively and confidently, understand the client's business and work towards achieving their KPIs, weekly, fortnightly and monthly reporting of the accounts with data insights, and be up to date with industry updates and experiments. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. And coming to skills required, ability to work independently and as a team and as part of a team, and knowledge or experience in working in-house or agency working methodology and culture, and ability to work flexibly and towards tight deadlines, and high proficient in MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and experience with coding and conversion tracking will be an add-on, and you should be having the knowledge of PPC campaign management tools but not limited to Google AdWords editor, Yahoo advertising platform, MSN ad center, Facebook ads manager and LinkedIn campaign manager, and you should be having the proven track record of management of paid search campaigns, that is Google, Yahoo and MSN, and mobile paid search campaigns, GDN and shopping ads. Next one, there is a job opening for delivery coordinator position. It is from Grozip. So 2 to 5 years of experience is required to apply for this position. So graduates are eligible to apply in a similar function at a logistics or courier company, and retail trade or an e-commerce company. So expected to know the city very well, and support to the logistics manager for logistics and fleet management and coordination. So you can check here with the desired skills and experience mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for training managers. So it is from Excite Life Insurance. So coming to about the job, meeting absolute coding number by influencing recruitment with BOP career selling, ensuring good passing percentage in IC38 exams followed by induction of advisors, right on boarding and development of advisors, ensuring new advisor activation, right on boarding and development of PFCs, catering to the training need to at different stages of advisor PFC development. Maximum age should be up to 38 years. So you can like the CTC will be up to 4.0 lakhs per annum. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID mentioned here, and also you can check in the description for the links. Next one, there is a job opening for backend developer position. It is from Mproto Technologies. So coming to about the job description, the candidate should have a strong knowledge of Node.js, JavaScript and proven skills with databases like Postgres or MongoDB, etc., and experience in version control systems like Git, Bitbucket, and ability to complete all phases of software development lifecycle, and should have a working knowledge of using the latest development tools and techniques, and experience in clouds such as AWS, Azure, etc. is an advantage, and basic knowledge of front-end UI design is preferred, and must have good problem solving and analytical skills, and must be a team player having good communication skills and self-starter, and ability to pick up new technology is needed. So coming to about the qualifications, the candidate should possess strong sense of ownership and have an ability to work in high energy teams and drive results, and have good communication and documentation skills. You can also check here with the required skills mentioned here. So interested candidates, you can have a look on the description once for the links. Next one, there is a job opening for front-end developer position. So it is from Arav Infotech India Private Limited. So coming to about the responsibilities, determining the structure and design of web pages, ensuring user experience determines design choices, developing features to enhance the user experience, striking a balance between functional and aesthetic design, ensuring web design is optimized for smartphones, building reusable code for future use, optimizing web pages for maximum speed and scalability, utilizing a variety of markup languages to write web pages, and maintaining brand consistency throughout the design. So you should be having the knowledge in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And coming to about the requirements, degree in computer science or related field is required, and understanding of key design principles, proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, understanding of server-side CSS, experience with graphic design and applications such as Adobe Illustrator, experience with responsive and adaptive design, understanding of SEO principles, good problem solving skills, excellent verbal and communication skills, and also good interpersonal skills. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.